October of 1985, the Ellicott dual bucket wheel commenced operations in a quarry north of the city of Baltimore. It has provided such enormous increases in productivity that 2 large dump trucks, 1 drag line, 1 front-end loader, 1 medium-sized bulldozer, and the personnel to run them were freed up for other projects. Ellicott more than met the 40% requirement. In fact, the dual bucket wheel excavator returned 6 times its investment in reduced operating costs in its first year alone. Ellicott's invention and introduction of the dual bucket wheel cutter is proof of our ability to meet new challenges and deliver new solutions for the future. Today, 35 Ellicott bucket wheels are in service, more than all of the other bucket wheel imitations made by all other manufacturers combined. The superiority of the Ellicott bucket wheel excavator for dredging applications can be attributed to its unique design. First, the bucket wheel works with equal effectiveness in both directions of swing. Second, the bucket wheel is able to dig hard or cohesive materials at a much higher production rate than the standard rotary cutter. This is a result of a more efficient application of power to the excavating process. Tests show conclusively that at equivalent horsepower, the bucket wheel excavator produces 2 to 3 times as much material as a rotary cutter. Third, conventional cutter heads rely on suction and agitation alone to transfer solid material into the pump. The bucket wheel, though, captures the material and propels it directly into the pump line, increasing and controlling slurry density. The result is improved excavation and pumping rates, up to 3-fold over conventional dredging methods. What makes an Ellicott bucket wheel excavator special? Only Ellicott, with field experience dating back to 1975, offers the competitive edge of exclusive patented Ellicott features. Among these many patented features are the high-volume, low-pressure flushing system, a mechanism which allows continuous bucket cleaning of clay and other cohesive materials with no potential for mechanical breakage or wear. The externally mounted classification plate, which rejects oversized material from the bucket mechanism, as well as the dredge pump, and eliminates delays due to jamming. An air ejection mechanism, which allows the bucket wheel to operate at or above the surface of the water with minimum of air becoming entrained in the pump suction system. These 3 items have provided significant improvements in operating efficiency on many projects, and in fact are standard features of all presently manufactured Ellicott dragon wheels. The increased efficiency these innovations generate has frequently provided the profitable edge on projects that might have otherwise not been financially feasible. At Ellicott, reliability begins well before manufacturing. Rather than simply assembling major components produced by various subcontractors, Ellicott designs and manufactures all specialized dredging equipment. We strictly control every facet of the manufacturing process, from design through delivery, start to finish. Each Ellicott dredge, whether it's a standard production model or a unique custom design, begins with years of field experience. Our engineers specify each and every detail of the dredge's design to ensure that every one of the thousands of parts in the dredge will work in harmony with every other part. To help in drawing up their plans, Ellicott designers have at their disposal the most modern and advanced computer technology available, including the latest in computer-aided design techniques. Computer-aided design, or CAD for short, relieves the designer from much of the drudgery associated with mechanical drafting. Freed of the time-consuming constraints imposed by mechanical drawing methods, the designer can devote more time to creating improved designs and can refine designs rapidly. Only when our engineers are completely satisfied that their design will provide optimal performance is the painstaking process of translating design into dredge begun. Our design team works hand in hand with the production engineers to make sure that the intent of the designers achieves full and complete expression. At our United States manufacturing plant in Baltimore, Maryland, the dredge begins to take shape. Each machine part is held to exacting specifications, sometimes with tolerances that are measured in microns. The advanced electronics used in creating Ellicott dredges offer state-of-the-art design and production. But but there is still no substitute for actual field testing and inspection throughout the course of manufacturing. Every step and every part is inspected, sometimes by using sophisticated ultrasonics and X-rays to assure integrity. Our commitment extends through the delivery of the dredge to the worksite. When the dredge components arrive for final assembly at the worksite, Ellicott engineers are there to test each sub-assembly, then the finished product. Only after the dredge is fully assembled, tested, and approved by Ellicott engineering personnel is the go-ahead given to begin production. There are Ellicott dredges still hard at work that were built before World War II. Ellicott dredges achieve this extraordinary life expectancy record because they're built well to begin with. But another key factor in our dredge's longevity has been the uncommonly high level of service that is standard equipment on every dredge. It's an unseen yet vital feature of every dredge we build. Because we understand the financial impact of downtime, Ellicott maintains a multi-million-dollar inventory of parts that can be sent on their way within hours of notification. In fact, emergency parts can be delivered to many parts of the world overnight. The service department is staffed around the clock, 7 days a week, so there is always immediate access to an individual who can help solve a problem with an Ellicott dredge. From the first lines on the engineer's electronic drafting screen to the field service for a dredge that's been in service for 50 years, Ellicott provides the most reliable, most innovative, and most economically operated dredges available. Experience, technology, service, and worldwide support. Ellicott Machine Corporation, the worldwide dredging leader for over 100 years.